Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In my last video, I talked about how you can install a Python interpreter on your Windows 10. And I promised at the end of the video that I was going to make a video on how you can install VS Code on your Windows 10 and start writing your codes more elegantly and in a more organized way. So today I will be showing you how to install VS Code on your Windows 10. Let's get started. First, you go to your favorite browser and type in VS Code, and then you click on the first link here. So I guess it automatically dictates your machine. So I'm using a Windows, so it's um, showing me the download link for my Windows. I'm just going to click here. It has started downloading. All right, we are done installing VS Code. Downloading VS Code from here. You run it. It's very simple. It's a very simple process. You just follow the instruction. Yes, I've read it. Okay, next. So yeah, then here you are just going to check these boxes. Check everything. Next. And then you install. Let's wait. It's going to install all the files and packages you need for VS Code to run smoothly on your computer. And we're done. Now let's launch our VS Code and see how it looks like. Oh, it has launched automatically. So I already have VS Code installed on my computer. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to close it and relaunch it so we can like start afresh. All right. Um, never mind. So when you open your VS Code, like when you download it newly, you're going to have this window here, this welcome page, this window. Now we want to create our first file. You just come here, open folder. It takes you to my PC here, and I'm just going to create a new folder, and I'm going to call this VS Code test. I'm going to create, I'm going to select that folder that I just created. Now I've opened that folder. I have my VS Code test here. Now, before you can run your Python code on VS Code, you need to install some packages, some extension. Now, to install extensions, you come here where you have these four squares here. You click here and you search. So the first thing you are going to search for is your Python interpreter. So I already have them installed on my computer, so I don't have to install it again. The first one you have here is what you are going to install. I already have it installed, but if for you, you are going to see like the icon where you can install it. So you just click it and you install it on your computer, and that's that. And then you can also install live server. So this is a very good extension for running your HTML files. So it helps you to reload automatically. You don't have to reload your page. So when you use this live server, whenever you're writing your HTML code, it automatically reloads your page for you. I also have this already installed on my computer. Now that we have installed our Python interpreter, we are just going to come back here and create our first Python file. You click on this plus new file. I'm just going to call it index.py. Remember, it's a Python file, and the Python file ends with the extension .py. So if the name of the Python file is home, it's going to be home.py. The py is what we tell the interpreter that this a Python file, and it will know how to interpret it. So for a language like JavaScript, it will be .js and so on. So we've created our Python file, and we are going to print hello world. Hello world. To run this file, okay, now you have to create. Okay, I have my interpreter selected. So to run this file, the first thing you do is you save. The normal way you save your file, Control X, you save, and you come to these three dots here. You click on your terminal, you open a new terminal. You open a new terminal. Now you can see at the bottom here, you already have a new terminal opened here. What you just do is you type the name, you type Python and the name of the file that you want to run, which is index.py, and you run it. Ooh, now you have hello world printed on your computer. I want to print 2 plus 2. I want to print 2 plus 2. I'll repeat the same thing here. So we are going to have two results here. We're going to have hello world, and we're going to have 2 plus 2. The answer, the result for 2 plus 2, index.py. When I run this, you can see we have hello world and we have 4. And this brings us to the end of this video. In my next video, we're going to start diving deep into the basic stuff in Python, like your variables and all that. Yeah, that's it for now. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please smash the like button, subscribe, and comment. Tell me what you think. Tell me if there's something you would want me to make a video on regarding Python, and I will be happy to do that. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video.